When it comes to making a healthy lifestyle change, one big advantage is having the support of your friends and family. So for today's Healthy Eats, we're getting some tips on how to make sure your loved ones are on your team if you're trying to improve your eating habits. Joining me today is wellness coach Erin Clifford. And if you're trying to make a healthy change to your diet, why is it important for your friends and family to be on board?
Studies suggest that when we have cheerleaders that are working with us, we are more likely to follow through on our long-term goals. And so a great way to approach your family is just to say, listen, I'm really looking to make a change, and here's my why. It's really important that you tap into that why for you and for them so they know how important this really is to you.
You also recommend starting small.
Small steps are so important because research tells us that people are more likely to make an actual lifestyle change that becomes a habit when they build upon small changes. And when you build upon these little changes, it's almost like building what I like to say a health house. So you get your little bricks in, and as you build and build, you create this wonderful lifestyle for yourself. But it's a lot easier because you don't feel so overwhelmed right away.
So as we're building our health house, we need to talk about the house. You say stocking your kitchen with healthy staples is important to making this healthy lifestyle change.
If you have everything that you need in your home, you are more likely to eat with it. Some healthy vegetables and fruits, lean proteins, healthy fats.
So Erin, another idea that you have, and I love this, to help get your family involved is to create a challenge.
We all love a challenge. We all love to win. You can get your whole family on board with it, which is perfect during this time. And no matter what, everybody wins because you've made yourself healthier.
I think most important is to go into it all judgment-free.
If you have somebody that you're worried about and really want them to make a lifestyle change, you nagging them is not going to help. Do little things like, asking them to go for a walk with you, perhaps cooking with lots of vegetables, maybe replacing some of their snacks with healthier options. Just getting everybody to lean into it is going to give them and you long-term success.
You have a great recipe that will help us get inspired. What are we making today?
We're going to make popsicles. So it's only 4 ingredients. So we're going to use 1 cup of Greek yogurt, 2 tablespoons of honey, 1 tablespoon of almond extract, and 2 cups of unsweetened orange juice. And you just blend. So now I'm going to pour the mixture into the popsicle molds. You can also use an ice cube tray if you don't have any at home and just stick a popsicle stick in. And now they're ready to go in the freezer for up to 2 to 3 hours.
Eating healthy with our loved ones all starts with a positive mental attitude and looking at it to have some fun.
Creating your accountability circle to all make lifestyle changes together is what's going to lead to lasting success. And just remember, all you have to do is make one simple change, and when you've mastered that, move on to the next one.
Erin, thank you so much for all this great information. All right, we want to hear what your favorite healthy meal is to eat with your loved ones. You can share it with us on Facebook. Just search for Living Healthy Chicago. So if you like this video and want more Living Healthy, just subscribe to our channel.